Windows 11, the operating system that I have never thought was going to be true. I thought Windows 10 was going to be the last Windows ever created. I am still a Windows 7 user, but I was wrong. On June 24th, 2021, Microsoft is announcing the new version of Windows. They're going to be live streaming it, but Windows 11 has been leaked, which is available for ISO download right this moment. And that is what I have today. We are going to be installing and taking a look at the new version of Windows in today's video. Okay guys, so I have a weird push my screen. OBS Studio is not functioning properly. Alright guys, finally we got to the installation screen. VMware has been causing a little bit of problems for me, but let's skip that. Let's not worry, we're not going to worry about that. Alright, so here it is, Windows 11. Now as you guys can see, you can see the new Windows 11 logo that's right here. And that is pretty interesting. Alright, so I guess we're going to start with next. Oh, that's weird. It seems that they have used the original Windows 10 logo right here. But as you guys have seen in Windows 98, Windows ME, they have used older versions, of course, of the logo. So not big of a deal. Microsoft Windows has done that along the line. Let's install. Sadly, I do not have a Windows 11 product key. I don't even know if you can buy a Windows 11 product key. So we're going to do, I don't have a product key. Alright, we're going to do a Windows 11 home. And as you can see, everything says Windows 11. And then I heard that this wonderful new scroll bar right here that is awesome. That is really nice. So we're going to do Windows home. Press next. There it is, last updated June 2021. We're going to accept, press next, and we're going to do a custom, of course, the 60 gigs of in the VMware installation. Alright, so this is where I'm going to let Windows 11 do what it needs to do. It's weird, I feel weird just saying Windows 11. It's really strange, but alright, so I'm going to let this start installing, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. And as you can see, Windows 11 is getting ready. That's crazy, you guys. I mean, this is a legacy right here. A legacy is happening right now. Windows 11 is going to be awesome. And as you guys may know, Windows 10 ends on 2025. And I guess they were right and wrong at the same time. They were right about ending in 2025, but they were wrong about keeping updates for it forever. I guess not. I guess Windows 11 is real. Alright, VMware is going to boot and reboot here. Windows 11. It's going to keep rebooting until it gets done with what it needs to do. Alright guys, so we are at the Windows 11 installation screen. This is pretty typical. It's just like Windows 10, the way it was in the installation screen. So from the country region, we're going to press United States, of course. Our keyboard layout, of course, is US. They asked to choose this in Windows 11 or Windows 10 as well. It's weird saying Windows 11. Everything is mostly the same. Add a second keyboard layout asks you at the same part that Windows 10 will ask you in the installation setup. So we can choose our privacy settings for this device. Of course, we can. I'm gonna keep them all as yes. My first time technically doing this, so. We can save space on your PC with OneDrive. Of course, it's going to make me... Oh, no, we can just press only storing files in this device. That's fine. Let's do that. I hate OneDrive. Sometimes. Alright, so right now, this might take a few minutes. Do not turn off your PC. You get this beautiful glow effect I've never seen before. Usually, on a normal Windows 10 installation, this might take a few minutes screen is just completely black. This is pretty interesting. Alright, we'll be back in just a couple minutes when this is completed. This is the Windows 11 home screen. Wow. There is a lot that has changed here. The Windows 11 logo is completely different. It looks like you have the start menu is completely different from what I understood. We got Photoshop elements, calculator settings, everything. Let's go to settings. I'm curious to see a couple things here. We got Microsoft Edge. Just go to File Explorer. Check this out. Oh, wow, you guys. This is weird. Wow, everything is freaky different. That's the only way I can best explain this, is how this is, and this is real, I can tell, because one thing I'm going to show you guys right now, and then this will be the end of the video after this. I'm going to go to, I don't even know how to get, let me type and see if I can type in control panel. Control. Oh, so we still have the original control panel. Oh my gosh, yeah, we still got that. All right. So I'm gonna go to System, Security. We're gonna view RAM, processor amount, and speed. It's right here. Windows specifications. Edition is Windows 11 Home. Installed on 6.6. Oh yeah, it's right now. So then, the version is a DEV. Don't know what that means. It's OS build number 21996.1. If you guys take a look at that right there, help you find it. It's got a Windows Feature Experience Pack 321.14700.0.3. Okay, strange. That's pretty much it, you guys. There's not much that is different here. This is Windows 11. It's real and it's here. I mean, everything is pretty much the same. I mean, like, I can go to Microsoft Edge. Wow. This is awesome, you guys. Alright, guys. Well, I think that's all I have for today. If you guys want to see more videos on Windows 11, please like and subscribe, like I always say. And, as always, we'll see you in the next one.